Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about phrasal verbs with meanings. English phrasal verbs: pull over, come to a stop and turn off the road. Pull up, lift upwards or vertically. Put away, place out of the way and clean up. Put down, insult, belittle, or demean. Put down, write something. Put forward, propose for consideration. Put towards, make a financial contribution. Run across, cross by running. Run away, leave home. Run out, use up to consume all of something. Run over, exceed the allotted time. Set back, delay or obstruct. Set off, leave to begin a journey or trip. Set out, go out, leave. Set up, arrange for an outcome. Stand by, remain loyal or faithful to. Turn on, start operating to power up. Turn over, flip over to rotate uppermost or bottom. Turn round, revolve or rotate around a center. Walk away, withdraw from a problematic situation. Wash out, remove something by washing. Try on, put clothes on to see if they fit. Think over, consider something carefully. Spring up, appear suddenly. Bail out, rescue, especially financially. Block off, obstruct. Build up, strengthen. Burn down, cause a structure to burn to nothing. Cheer up, become happy. Drink up, finish one's drink. Find out, discover as by asking or investigating. Fix up, repair or refurbish. Give up, stop or quit an activity, etc. Go ahead, to begin. Go along, participate, cooperate or conform. Go around, move or spread from person to person. Go away, depart or leave a place. Go down, fall to the floor. Go forward, progress. Go off, explode. Go on, continue in extent. Go out, leave one's abode to go to public places. Go round, calculate. Go together, harmonize or be compatible. Go towards, be a contribution to. Hang out, spend time doing nothing in particular. Hang on, wait a moment. Usually imperative. Hold on, keep, to store something for someone. The bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.